how to find drafts on Facebook. Now, the very first thing you're going to do if you want to find drafts on Facebook is to create a draft yourself. To do that, all you have to do is to tap on what's on your mind right here and add a status or a post to your Facebook account. Let's say hi right here and add a photo if you want to. Let's say this one right here. Now, if you want to create a draft, all you have to do is to tap on this arrow button right here and click on Save as Draft. To locate that specific draft that we have just created on Facebook, all we have to do is to go to our control center of the phone right there. And you will be able to see that Facebook has notified us that our draft was saved. In order for us to make changes to that draft, all we have to do is to tap on that. And you will be able to see every unpublished draft that we have created so far. If we want to make changes to that specific draft, all we have to do is to tap on that. So now we can change it and post it to Facebook. So that's how to find drafts on Facebook. Hope we help.